Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove screen password on Samsung Galaxy A12. So guys, there you can see we have the Galaxy A12 and right now it's locked by a pin lock. So if you try to turn off the phone, it will not turn off. Let me show you. It will ask you for the pin, and if you try to restart it, it doesn't work. So now let me show you how you can restore this phone and remove the pattern. So you have to hold both of the volume and the power key together to force restart phone. When the screen goes black, you need to hold volume up and the power key, and this is how you can enter the recovery mode. Once you are in recovery, go to wipe data, go to factory data reset, and then just press the power key to select the option, and there you can see now it's formatting the phone. Now you just have to reboot your phone, and when the phone starts, the screen password will be removed. So let me show you. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.